Hi again, everybody. Again, I hope you're all safe and well in what are obviously still very strange times at the moment. As you've hopefully seen, obviously, over the last couple of weeks on the Transition 2020 section of the school website, but obviously a group of assemblies which have been published, on a weekly basis, For example, Mr. Turton did an assembly a few weeks ago on the Rawmarsh pledge, and I published a couple over the last couple of weeks regarding effort and worries, Today, we've got the last of our assemblies before breaking up for the summer holidays, Today's assembly is going to focus on top tips, So I'm going to talk you through a couple of top tips, that you can focus on thinking about what you can do before you join Rawmarsh in September, and obviously what you can do when you come to Rawmarsh in September. Obviously, been lots of information published the last couple of weeks regarding the first day in September, all that kind of stuff, and also regarding a lot of information about the school as well. So we thought we'd bring it all back together to give a couple of top tips how to make the most of your time at Rawmarsh. Now you can prepare for joining Rawmarsh both before you get in there and what you can do when you join in September as well. So first of all, I'm going to look at the top tips to look at before you join Rawmarsh. Now, firstly, as I just said, there's a lot of information on the Transition 2020 section of the school website, which contains obviously lots of information regarding key information regarding the school and also lots of information regarding what's going to happen when you join in September. Now, obviously, as we said already, we understand that due to rollover being cancelled, it's not simply going to be a case of you joining your lessons and being thrown straight into the deep end in September. That would not be fair in any way, shape, or form. So obviously those first couple of days, we'll come up with a plan to help ease that transition. So when you all join Rawmarsh, you're getting lots of information regarding the school day, getting your email account set up, all that kind of stuff. Now obviously there's a lot of information on the school website. And it can seem a bit daunting when you first go on there. One thing I would say, and I really want to stress this: don't worry if you don't know everything before you join in September. When you first come to Rawmarsh in September, it will not simply be a case of me giving you a black sheet of paper when you need to tutor group and saying, right, you've got an hour, write down everything you know about Rawmarsh. That is not going to happen. Obviously, the reason we've put all this information on the school website is to try and ease any worries and give you a bit of an idea about what Rawmarsh is like and what to expect before you join in September. But don't panic if you don't know everything off by heart before you join. On those first couple of days and through the first month, we'll keep reminding you about the school day, about your different lessons, about detention systems, about rewards, etc., etc. But don't panic if you don't know it all before September. It can seem quite daunting with the amount of information which is on there. But it's only on the school website to try and help, and give you a rough idea about what to expect before you join. Secondly, before you join, another top tip will be to try and complete as many pledges as you can at home. You'll have seen Mr. Turton, who spoke about the Rawmarsh pledge a few weeks ago. And obviously, we've launched some pledges, and given you some pledge challenges in these assemblies, and also in the Meet the Tutor event. Now, so I think I got one, for example, a few weeks ago. The pledge was to learn a new skill. Now to learn a new skill, that could be you learn how to say hello in a couple of languages. It could be you learn how to juggle. It could be learn how to cook a different meal, for example. It's entirely up to you. But we want you to show us, that you really, before you join in September, you're having to go at some of these pledges. So when you join, you've already completed a couple. You can I tick those off already, and you've hit the ground running before you even start. That will be a great way to prepare for joining Rawmarsh in September. Now, top tips for during. I was thinking about what can happen when you join Rawmarsh in September. Now, first top tip would be: do not be afraid to ask for help. So we mentioned previously a couple of weeks ago when we did that assembly on worries. Now we understand that moving to a new school is going to be hard. There may be times, for example, when you're struggling with a certain lesson or a certain topic. You might have difficulty with a certain piece of homework. You may get lost, for example. You might forget your PKs, etc. No one expects you to get everything perfect the first time around and to know everything straight away. But a key thing I really want to stress, is if you're struggling, if you need to, ask for help. And Rawmarsh will always be somebody there to provide help if you need it. You might want to ask your form tutor, ask your head of year, ask, for example, RSPM, Miss Robinson. You might want to actually ask your teacher if it's a problem with a certain lesson. Whatever your problem is, ask for help. We understand it's going to be difficult during a new school, but by being able to ask for help, that's a brilliant quality to be able to have. One will stand you in great stead for when you join in September. Another top tip I would recommend is to be willing to try new things when you join. As I mentioned previously at Rawmarsh, we have a really wide range of extracurricular activities for you to join. Including, for example, sporting activities. There are different clubs for different subjects. There are performing arts clubs after school. There are absolutely all sorts of wide variety of clubs to get involved in. I really try and recommend getting involved in as many as you can when you first come in September. You may join a certain club. for a couple of weeks and realise, 1 minute, I don't really like that club, okay, I'm going to leave it. But you've given it a go. But then you might join something that you've never done before and think, you know what, 1 minute, this is right up my street. I absolutely love this, okay, I'm going to keep going every single week, okay? And the only way to do that is by being able and willing to try new things, okay? Try a club you've not been to before. You never know. You might like it, you might not. But unless you try it, you'll never, ever know. And I really hope, okay, we have a wide range of different extracurricular clubs at Rawmarsh, and I'm pretty confident in saying there should be something for everybody to get involved with outside of their normal lessons. Next one, be kind. Okay, obviously there's over 200 of you New Year 7s, okay, they're going to be joining Rawmarsh in September, okay, and I've no doubt you'll all be feeling nervous about different things. Some of you may be feeling nervous about joining new lessons, about going to a new school, etc. Okay, everybody is going to be in exactly the same boat. And remember, okay, the Rawmarsh Way statement is, or one of the Rawmarsh Way statements is, we support others around us. Okay, if you see somebody who's struggling, for example, they're lost or they're struggling in a certain subject, offer to help them. Okay, so you know how to get them to maths, I'll take you down there, I'll show you where you need to go. Okay, that's the kind of attitude we're looking to support others around us at Rawmarsh. Okay, and I'm pretty sure if you're ever in a situation where you need help, that person who you've helped out, okay, they'll then repay the favour and help you as well by supporting others around us. Everybody's in the same boat, okay? Everyone's going to be nervous about joining in September. But if we all join together as a team, okay, the big Year 7 group, I think, right, we can get through this together. We're all in it together. We can all help each other. We'll help ease that transition, okay, and get you all used to life at Rawmarsh when you join in September. And lastly, don't give up. There'll be times when things are going to be difficult. You might be struggling with a certain subject. You might, for example, have an issue at break time, for example. Okay, there are times when it's going to be difficult. But do not give up. Okay, one of the Rawmarsh Way statements is, we take risks and we rise to a challenge. And I'm fully confident that all of you will be able, when you first come in September, okay, to rise to the challenge of joining a new school, which is a massively daunting thing. We can all rise to that challenge and smash through it, okay, and make sure you can make the most of your life at Rawmarsh. There'll be times when it's going to be difficult, but I know you can use that resilience that you've got to get through that first stage and make the most of your life at Rawmarsh. Now, as I mentioned previously regarding the Rawmarsh Pledge, okay, the Rawmarsh Pledge task I'd like to set for this week, okay, is we support others around us, the Bronze Pledge, which is to do something that benefits our local community through a random act of kindness. And I thought, given the current climate regarding coronavirus or COVID-19, I thought it'd be brilliant if you could write a letter to somebody thanking them for their help during this time, okay, with COVID-19. Now, you may write to somebody, for example, who has been working in the NHS, for example. It may be somebody who was at your primary school, really helped when you went back. Or it may be somebody, for example, who works at a supermarket, who's been doing brilliant work when he's been really busy. It's entirely up to you. Anybody who you feel has really helped you during this time of COVID-19 and coronavirus, okay, and especially during the time of school closures, anybody who you feel has really helped you, okay, write them a letter explaining, really grateful for all the help you've given during this time, okay, and that'd be a brilliant way to show a random act of kindness, supporting your local community, and also ticking off your Bronze Pledge to support others around us while you're at it as well. So it'd be brilliant if before you come in September, you could write a little letter to someone thanking them for help with COVID-19, or doing whatever random act of kindness, okay, you would like to do, okay, before you join in September to get that Bronze Pledge so we support others around us ticked off before you even join Rawmarsh in September. Now, obviously understand again, okay, not only today, but over the last couple of weeks, there's been lots and lots of information given, okay, and obviously there's a lot of information on the school website as well. I would hope that would answer most of your queries regarding joining Rawmarsh, okay, and obviously today's been looking at top tips to help to make the most of your time when you join as well. But, as always, if you have any question whatsoever about either joining Rawmarsh or any questions about Rawmarsh in general, please feel free to email jbartle@rawmarsh.org, and I'll be more than happy to help in any way I can. I really hope you found, obviously, all the information provided over the last couple of weeks really useful, including the assemblies, potato lessons, all that kind of stuff. And I hope it's helped you as much as possible to get ready for joining Rawmarsh in September. Okay, I'm really looking forward to meeting you all face-to-face in September. So I wish you all the very best. Make sure you stay safe, have a great summer, and look forward to seeing you all in September. Cheers, guys. See you later.